Hey there. If you work in the service industry, you know that your income changes every single shift. Some nights you crush it, other nights are slow. This tip income tracker helps you see exactly what you're earning so you can budget, save, and plan around a variable income. Let's dive into the shift log. This is where you record every shift you work. Enter the date, day of the week, your role, the venue, hours worked, cash tips, credit card tips, and any tip out you had to share. Say you worked a Friday dinner shift and pulled in $85 in cash tips and $62 on cards with a $15 tip out. Log it all here and your net tips calculate automatically. The weekly summary rolls your shifts up by week. You'll see total hours, total tips, average hourly rate, and how many shifts you worked. It's a quick way to compare week over week and spot trends in your earning pattern. Monthly summary zooms out even further. See your total monthly income, average per shift, best and worst weeks, and how your tips break down between cash and credit. This is the view you want when you're doing your monthly budget. Now here's one that's really interesting. The day of week analysis. This tab shows you which days of the week are most profitable. Maybe Fridays and Saturdays average $95 per shift, but Tuesdays only average $42. Use this data to pick up the right shifts and skip the slow ones. Tax and savings is crucial for tipped workers. Set your tax withholding percentage and savings goal, and the template automatically calculates how much to set aside from each pay period. No more surprises at tax time. You'll know exactly what you owe and have it ready. And finally, the dashboard brings it all together. Your total income, tips by type, hourly rate trends, and savings progress, all in one visual summary. It's the full picture of your tip income at a glance. This tracker has over 1,000 formulas across 6 worksheets, and it works in both Excel and Google Sheets. If you're ready to take control of your tip income, grab it from the link in the description and start tracking today.